Welcome to post-exploitation tool example. Post-exploitation tools, that is a part of CCNA CyberOps certification lecture series. Please subscribe my channel if you didn't, and watch another videos. Those are also series of CCNA CyberOps certifications. So up until this point, we have done a lot of talking about how attackers find vulnerabilities and exploit those vulnerabilities to access network and computers. But we have not spent much time on what they do after exploiting a computer. So let's take a look at post-exploitation tool hackers use to gain more information about the machines that they have just gained control over. Many attackers will use tools such as Microsoft PowerShell and Mimikatz on the compromised machines to gain a bigger foothold on the victim's machine. To start with, the attacker will want to get the lay of the land and find out the basic system information for the machine they are on. What user context they are running under, processes that are running, services, and other network basic about the machines and its capability. As you can see in an example, there is a lot of some initial commands that are often run by attacker who gain access to machine. These tools are usually built into operating system, and in this case they are all part of Windows tool. First on the list is a whoami, which show user account and domain information. ipconfig show network configuration information, and they have many other options. If you use help, you can find other options, such as in ipconfig you can have IP address, subnet mask, default gateways, DNS server, IP addresses, and much more valuable information using other options. Net state shows all active listening and closed network connections. This could lead the attacker to other machines that this machine has map drive to. Task list show all running processes, which allow the attacker to find processes that are easy to exploit to help keep this machine under control. Finally, net start can be used to start services on this computer. These commands are a built-in command that administrators use to help manage the network and the machines. They are not unique to malicious activity. By using some of the listed commands, the attacker can find other connected systems and use port scans and ping sweeps to try to gain access to more devices on the network. As stated earlier, PowerShell is a task automation and configuration management tool that has been built into .NET framework since Windows 7. It is a tool that is used by most IT organizations to automate and accelerate window management tasks. It can download and upload files, move files between machines, establish network listener for tunneling, extract email log data from remote machines, and many more tasks that are useful for the good actors such as the administrator and useful for bad actors such as the attacker. PowerShell is typically whitelisted, so most of its malicious scripts go unnoticed. PowerShell can run from memory as well as from remote machines. If the attacker knows the credential of the target machine, attacker can even bypass the machine policy not to run unassigned script with PowerShell. As you can see in the screen capture, PowerShell is easily started from the window command line interface. This tool provides control over exploited target host and runs in memory, so it is very difficult to detect with conventional forensic techniques. Metasploit has included Mimikatz as a meterpreter script. Mimikatz gather credential data from Windows systems such as plain text password files, hashes, pin code, and Kerberos tickets from memory. Mimikatz can be run as a standalone executable or run as a module inside PowerShell. In the second screen capture, you can see an example showing Mimikatz command from Metasploit and meterpreter being used to extract password hashes from the compromised host. So this was all from the post-exploitation tools that we discussed. These were few post-exploitation tools. So stay tuned. See you in next lecture. Thank you.